Welcome back to Edutube's blockchain course. This is Lecture 30 of Module 6, and today we're exploring a topic that not only excites tech enthusiasts, but also promises to transform the way we interact with digital systems. Future trends in blockchain technology. If you've ever wondered what the future holds for blockchain or how these innovations might impact everyday life, you're in the right place. Blockchain isn't just about cryptocurrencies or secure digital transactions. It's a foundational technology that is evolving rapidly. Imagine a world where your digital identity is securely managed without a central authority, where financial transactions occur instantly without the need for banks, and where entire industries are reinvented through decentralized platforms. Today, we'll break down the emerging trends that will shape blockchain's future and show you how these ideas can be understood through everyday examples, making even the most complex concepts accessible for everyone. Understanding the future of blockchain technology. Blockchain technology is still in its early stages, but already several trends are emerging that promise to take it to the next level. In this lecture, we'll explore these trends step by step. 1. Layer 2 scaling solutions. 2. Integration with artificial intelligence, AI. 3. Expansion of decentralized finance, DeFi. 4. The evolution of NFTs and digital ownership. 5. Quantum computing and blockchain security. 6. Government and enterprise adoption. 7. The rise of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. Each of these trends not only points to technological advancements, but also has practical implications that can impact our daily lives. 1. Layer 2 scaling solutions. One of the biggest challenges blockchain networks face today is scalability. Popular blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum often struggle with slow transaction speeds and high fees during peak times. This is where Layer 2 solutions come into play. What are Layer 2 solutions? Layer 2 refers to a set of technologies built on top of an existing blockchain, Layer 1, to increase transaction speed and reduce costs. Think of it as adding an express lane to a busy highway. Instead of every vehicle, transaction waiting in line, the express lane allows many more to pass through quickly without compromising security. Daily life example. Imagine a popular coffee shop during rush hour. The regular service line is slow and crowded, causing long wait times. Now picture an additional separate line where customers with a mobile order can get their coffee almost instantly. Layer 2 solutions function similarly, offering a faster, more efficient way to handle transactions while still relying on the main network's security. Future impact. As more Layer 2 solutions are implemented, we can expect blockchain networks to handle millions of transactions per second, making everyday digital payments, microtransactions, and real-time interactions much more feasible. 2. Integration with artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing nearly every industry, and blockchain is no exception. The integration of AI with blockchain technology is paving the way for smarter, more secure systems. How AI enhances blockchain. AI can improve blockchain networks in several ways. Data analysis. AI algorithms can analyze blockchain data in real time, identifying trends and anomalies. Smart contract optimization. AI can help optimize smart contracts, making them more efficient and less error-prone. Enhanced security. Machine learning can detect fraudulent activities or potential security breaches faster than traditional methods. Daily life example. Consider how your smartphone uses AI for personalized recommendations. Similarly, AI-powered blockchain systems can learn from transaction data to predict and prevent fraudulent activities, ensuring a safer digital environment. Imagine an online shopping experience where your transactions are automatically monitored for security, providing you with peace of mind every time you make a purchase. Future impact. The convergence of AI and blockchain will lead to more robust, efficient, and secure systems. It will empower businesses to automate processes, enhance transparency, and create adaptive systems that continuously improve. 3. Expansion of decentralized finance, DeFi, decentralized finance, or DeFi, has already begun disrupting traditional financial systems by offering services like lending, borrowing, and trading without intermediaries. In the future, DeFi will continue to evolve and expand. What to expect in DeFi's future? 1. Regulated DeFi platforms. As governments catch up with the technology, we may see more regulated DeFi platforms that offer both innovation and consumer protection. 2. Interoperability. Improved connectivity between different blockchain networks will allow DeFi platforms to operate more seamlessly. 3. Enhanced user experience. More user-friendly interfaces and services will make DeFi accessible to a broader audience. Daily life example. Think about how mobile banking apps have made it easier for people to manage their finances without visiting a bank branch. DeFi aims to do the same for digital finance, providing a platform where anyone can lend, borrow, or invest directly from their smartphone with minimal hassle. Future impact. DeFi has the potential to revolutionize the financial industry by democratizing access to financial services. As these platforms mature, they will likely become a mainstream alternative to traditional banking, reducing costs and increasing financial inclusion. 4. The evolution of NFTs and digital ownership non-fungible tokens, NFTs, gained fame through digital art and collectibles, but their potential extends far beyond that. NFTs represent unique digital ownership records that can be applied to various assets. Beyond art, new use cases for NFTs. 1. Real estate, digital ownership of property titles and land records can be managed via NFTs. 2. Intellectual property. Artists and creators can protect their works by registering them as NFTs. 3. Virtual assets. In gaming and the emerging metaverse, NFTs allow players to own, trade, and monetize digital assets. Daily life example. Imagine you own a rare baseball card that has its authenticity and ownership recorded on a blockchain. NFTs work similarly. They certify the uniqueness and ownership of digital items, making transactions transparent and secure. Now, extend that idea to virtual real estate or even digital concert tickets, where proof of ownership and authenticity is critical. Future impact. As NFT technology evolves, expect to see broader adoption in sectors like real estate, intellectual property, and even everyday consumer goods. NFTs could fundamentally change how we think about ownership in a digital world, ensuring that assets are both secure and easily transferable. 5. Quantum computing and blockchain security. Quantum computing represents the next frontier in computational power, but it also poses challenges for current blockchain encryption methods. The quantum threat. Quantum computers have the potential to break traditional cryptographic algorithms, which could compromise the security of blockchain networks. The response quantum-resistant blockchains developers are already working on new cryptographic techniques that are resistant to quantum attacks, ensuring that blockchain remains secure in a post-quantum world. Daily life example. Imagine your current home security system is excellent at keeping intruders out, but then a new technology emerges that can bypass your locks. In response, you upgrade to a state-of-the-art system that uses next-generation technology to keep you safe. That's what blockchain developers are doing, anticipating future threats and evolving security measures accordingly. Future impact. Quantum-resistant blockchains will become essential as quantum computing becomes more prevalent. This proactive evolution will protect digital assets and maintain trust in blockchain systems, ensuring long-term success. 6. Government and enterprise adoption. Blockchain technology is moving beyond startups and individual projects into the mainstream as governments and large enterprises begin to adopt it. Areas of adoption. Digital identity. Governments are exploring blockchain for secure, verifiable digital identity solutions. Voting systems. Blockchain can ensure transparent and tamper-proof electoral processes. Supply chain management. Enterprises use blockchain to track products, ensuring authenticity and reducing fraud. Record keeping. Land titles, tax records, and other official documents are being digitized and secured using blockchain. Daily life example. Consider Estonia's digital government, where citizens use blockchain-based systems to access a variety of services, from voting to healthcare. Imagine a future where you can securely prove your identity online without worrying about data breaches or identity theft, all thanks to blockchain. Future impact. Government and enterprise adoption of blockchain. Technology will bring it into everyday life. With increased transparency and security, blockchain will become crucial in our digital infrastructure. 7. The rise of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. CBDCs are digital forms of a country's fiat currency leveraging blockchain. Technology for secure, efficient digital payments. What CBDCs mean for the future? Faster transactions, real-time transactions, can reduce the wait in traditional banking. Financial inclusion. They offer secure access to digital, currency for unbanked populations, transparency and accountability. CBDCs can enhance transparency in financial transactions, reducing fraud and corruption. Daily life example. Your paycheck is automatically deposited into your digital wallet, eliminating delays and fees. CBDCs can streamline everyday transactions and make them more efficient. Future impact. As more governments adopt CBDCs, they could become the standard in digital currency transactions, changing the way we conduct transactions and manage money. Conclusion. With governments and enterprises adopting blockchain technology, blockchain will transform industries and everyday life. As technologies continue to evolve, we will see the creation of innovative solutions impacting every sector, giving individuals and societies access to new opportunities. Thank you for joining me in exploring the exciting future of blockchain technology. I'm sure you'll find this lecture insightful and sparking your curiosity about the endless possibilities of blockchain. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to Edutube for more engaging, beginner-friendly content on blockchain and digital innovation. Stay tuned for our next lecture. Let us delve deeper into the mysteries of blockchain and explore more cutting-edge developments that are shaping our digital future.
Edutube, because education is mandatory.